Lieutenant Governor Kim Driscoll here with Secretary of Labor and Workforce Development Lauren Jones. We are in Salem and on the job. We picked the right month to do that. Right now we're in front of the historic Hawthorne Hotel here in Salem. I like to refer to it as the Grand Dame of Salem, and a place that certainly has a lot of job opportunities, hospitality help, housekeeping, learning about sales and marketing. This is the epicenter of everything that's going on in Salem. Let's go on in and check it out.
Let's go. Come on inside.
Here we go.
What are we doing? Expediting?
So first in, first out. So this is the first one was 412.
Okay.
So it's like 425.
Gotta get it
So
out.
about 15-20 minutes, you gotta get it out. When it's
So
done,
there's the meatloaf and there's the cocoa curry bowl.
right. So when Tony's ready to give it to you,
Yep.
you'll put the ticket up on top.
Okay.
So you got
Meatloaf?
meatloaf.
Do you take those two down?
You take that one down. Okay. Right on.
Okay.
All right. And
What about the meatloaf?
No, that's the second one.
That's the other one.
All
right.
the same.
Boom! God, you're on it!
so what you want to do is just take the soup and then pour it into the cup.
Want to make sure to get a lot of carrots, a lot of onions.
Not just broth, right? We want some. Oh, perfect.
Oh yeah, this looks good.
You got it. Right? Thank you. Thank you.
Claire, thank you so much for opening your doors, sharing more opportunities for us to learn on the job, for all the jobs that we know are so real and needed here in hospitality, from culinary, seeing things happening in the kitchen, to learning about the hospitality needs for cleaning and getting every room ready and prepped for all the visitors that are here in the city of Salem.
Well, thank you. We're 100 years old next year. Come on by in July. We're going to have a big celebration.
Woo!
You're all welcome.